Madam, thank you for the opportunity. His Excellency President has delivered the speech to the joint session of the Parliament, and he has narrated the success story of Sri Narendra Modi's government, and also he has also outlaid what is this government is going to achieve and do in coming almost 2.5 years. But last speaker from Congress party, Scindia ji, was referring about the Kashmir problem, and he said, misquoting the Prime Minister, he said about the surgical strike. I would like to remind him, if at all today Kashmir problem is existing in the world and India, it is because of the wrong policies of the Congress, and these people who took it to the UNO, when our soldiers, they went up to the Lahore, these people stopped them, and because of this today, the Pak-occupied Kashmir, it has become a serious problem because of the wrong policies of the Congress party. And now they are talking, एक राष्ट्र में दो निशान, एक राष्ट्र में दो विधान, एक राष्ट्र में दो विधान, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. ये मूवमेंट अगर कोई चलाया है तो वो डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी ने चलाया. By that, the permit Raj which was existing in Kashmir, that was discontinued because of the Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, and it is the Pak-occupied Kashmir. ये आपका पाप का फल है, सिंधिया जी, पाप का फल है आपका. नहीं, वो तो आप मिसकोट कर रहे हैं. आप पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर कहा है? पाक ऑक्यूपाइड, पाक आपने क्या बोला था? पाक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटेड कश्मीर बोला था आपने. एंड अभी आप बात कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान का. जो अभी पाकिस्तान जो पीओके के प्रॉब्लम है ना, ये आपका पाप का फल है. आप याद रखिए. मैडम, he has entirely narrated and explained the number of the new initiatives by the Narendra Modi's government, and every alternate month the new scheme or the new initiative has been introduced. From Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana to Ujjwala, so many schemes and so many initiatives has been implemented and also introduced. Simple thing I would like to tell, Kharge ji is sitting here, LPG connection, that is gas connection, cooking gas. In last 60 years of their rule, people did not get the gas connection. Only during the Atalji, that was made luxurious. Only during Atalji's government, that was eased out. And even when they came back in 2004, then also there was problem, restriction. Today, under leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, we are distributing 5 crore gas connection to each and every household, and these people, till the 1996, they just distributed 7 crores in 50 years. And today, Narendra Modi ji has said the smokeless village, the smokeless kitchen, the entire country will be made smokeless kitchen. And I can quote, I will quote my own example, madam. In 1976, Kharge ji, aap suniye how you ruled. 1976, my father registered for a gas connection in Hubli, in Karnataka. We got the gas connection in 1990. And on that day when I came from the law college in the evening, my mother had called all the neighboring women for the tea party, for distributing the sweet. I asked my mother, what is the reason why you have called all these people today? My mother said, आज हमारे घर में गैस आ गया है, LPG आ गया है. That was their situation. Today, every person is getting gas without deposit and gas stove on the basis of EMI. Housing in 10 बरस में, 10 बरस ने इन्होंने क्या किया है? And in 2 years, we have, I will just quote it, in the housing sector, nearly 13.47 lakh houses for the poor. In the last 1.5 years, more than what UPA had provided in its 2 consecutive terms. UPA government gave the assistance of 17,405 crores in 10 years. In 2 years, Narendra Modi ji's led government gave 21,337 crores in the last 2 years. Let us understand. Fertilizers, Anant Kumar ji is sitting here. Neem coated fertilizer. It was suggested, it was advised by the experts. These people slept on that. They could not take decision because Kala Bazari se inka fayda hota tha. Isliye they kept silent. And as soon as Anant Kumar ji came, under the guidance of Narendra Modi ji, the neem coated urea in the entire country, it is implemented, and nowhere in last 2.5 years there is a lathi charge for either urea or any fertilizer. This is the track record. I can say about energy. We are energy surplus today. We are going to become energy surplus today. Highways, these people were constructing 2 kilometers per day. We have made it 30 kilometers per day. Our target is 30 kilometers a day. Contractors were not ready. Contractors were not ready to work under the regime because their intentions were different. Their intentions were not good. बट लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री, आज का प्रधानमंत्री के और आज का नितिन गडकरी जी के कोई स्वार्थ नहीं है। हमको कितना मिलता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया तो ये सोच नहीं है। इसीलिए पूरा देश में आज रास्ते का क्रांति हो रहा है। 30 किलोमीटर पर डे एंड rural quality roads, they were constructing 70 kilometers and we are constructing 133 kilometers. Madam, I can quote many such things, madam, but I would like to, because there are some paucity of the time, His Excellency President has referred in para number 55 about the the Honorable President has said, खरगे साहब बैठिए साहब, आपका पूरा भाषण, खरगे साहब आपका पूरा भाषण हमने सुना है. To combat the evil of the black money, corruption, counterfeit currency and the terror financing, my government took the decision on the 8th November 2016 to demonetize an old 500 and 1000 rupees currency. This is what His Excellency has said, but you people are opposing it. Why? Your track record is like that. If our government used to introduce, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, every new scheme after 2 months, after every 2 months, you were introducing a new scam. इतना ही चर्चा चलता था उस टाइम. क्या चलता था चर्चा? कितना पैसे गए, कितना कैसे गए. आज राहुल गांधी जी को पूछना पड़ रहा है कितना आया. This is the difference of this government. That's why, madam, and how they are functioning in Karnataka, madam. Karnataka, I will tell about Ballari also, please wait. In Karnataka, one of their minister in Gokak, Belgaum district, in Suresh Angadi's constituency, he was raided, and the woman wing chief of the Karnataka Congress party, that house was also raided, and all their premises were raided. Do you know, madam, after the demonetization, 160 crore worth wealth, it was confiscated, and few hundred crores of the new currencies of 2000 rupees, it was there in his minister's house. But so far these people, including Khargeji, I am telling you, these people do not have guts to ask for his resignation, because इधर तो उनका एड्रेस ही नहीं बचता है. इसीलिए these people do not have. And no, I am not making any allegation. This is what has come in this thing. And we are not blackmailing, and nothing to blackmail. And 160 crores and 46 lakhs of the currency, new currency, in both the houses it is recovered. Then, madam, two officers of the Congress government who are very close aides of the Mr. Siddaramaiah, Chief Minister of Karnataka, I am not. Two officers Immediately after the demonetization, they were caught. How much money they had, madam? In the two officers' house, after the IT raid and ED raid, 150 crores of the wealth was seized, including 7 crore rupees of new currencies. And he was appointed in the most sensitive and crucial post because of Mr. Siddaramaiah and one of the officers. I am quoting his name because it has come in the report. Mr. Jayachandra admitted that this money was to be shared with the minister and the chief minister, and they have to shame. It is shame on the part. The Mr. Kharge ji, Kharge ji, आपने बहुत बात किया है. हमने पूरा 2 घंटे सुना है. आपको सुनना पड़ेगा. आप जो कुछ भी उत्तर देते हैं बाद में उत्तर दीजिए. मैडम, one Mr. Jayachandra, madam, one Mr. Jayachandra, who is the chief engineer, he admitted that this money was to be shared with some of the minister and the chief minister, and he said, my son is responsible for it. His son is not responsible. His chief minister of Karnataka is responsible for this, madam. And now they are talking about the corruption. Madam, I can quote many examples.
And sundry things he has spoken. When I raised 352 and 353, he said that is not applicable. Nothing is substantiated, nothing is authenticated. Whereas when Prahlad Joshi is speaking, everything is substantiated. He is telling the truth.
Madam, why it is paining them is, the simple reason is, क्या होगा madam? In law, what they are telling, what Mr. And I told about 2 officers. उससे पहले एक superintendent engineer was traveling from my constituency Dharwad to Bangalore. He was caught. Few lakhs were seized, and when inquired, not before CBI, madam, in front of Lokayukta officials, he said, I am carrying this money to hand over it to a minister. This is what it is happening. In police officers, auction is taking place in Karnataka. This is what is happening. Madam, why they are opposing demonetization?
Okay. I will see to it. Please. Yes.
Madam, why they are opposing demonetization? इन लोगों ने क्या बात करते हैं? इन लोगों ने क्या बात करते हैं, मैडम? They are telling demonetization का, but what has happened, madam? 58% of the wealth of this country, it is held by 1% of the people. 1%, 58% of the wealth. 80% of the wealth, it is held by 10% of the people. 25% of the people of the country, they are having negative wealth. Means they do not have any wealth, but they are under the loan. They are avail the loan. This is the situation, madam, and that's why our Prime Minister took a holistic view, and not only demonetization, even Benami Act, which they introduced during Rajiv Gandhi tenure 1988 से आज तक उसका इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ था. हमारा नेता नरेंद्र मोदी जी वो इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, सशक्त करके इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए सिद्ध होके अभी इनके बहुत फ्रेंड्स के पीछे पड़ रहे, इसीलिए उनको दुख हो रहा है. प्रॉब्लम ये है, इसीलिए ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, हमारा सूट बूट के सरकार. देखिए यूपीए गवर्नमेंट, ये देखिए एक रिपोर्ट, दिस इज नॉट माई रिपोर्ट. यूपीए कॉर्पोरेट बेल आउट इन यूपीए टेन्योर 36.5 trillion, that is 36 lakh crore rupees, in the way of the revenue foregone, in the way of excise foregone, in the way of income, corporate income tax, and when the platinum and gold were purchased, at time this tax is exempted and this is waived off. That is 36 lakhs 0.5 crores. They have waived off in 10 years. Madam, इनका क्या समाजवाद बोलते हैं, सोशलिज्म बोलते हैं? 80% of the people today, till they are under they cannot spend more than 20 rupees in a day, madam. This is what Arjun Sen Gupta committee, which has appointed by them, this has shown it. And now they are talking about socialism. That's why, madam, one Mr. Ramachandra Gowda, they have, and whatever the loan were distributed to, either Mr. 1,85,000 crore loan were sanctioned, distributed during the Adani and Ambani's, during the UPA government, and that collecting back, that is repayment, initiation has begun when Modi came to power. And these people are talking this. And now, madam, that's why after, and Malya's loan was restructured after he became default. That's why one Mr. Ramachandra Gowda is there in our Karnataka. He quotes one shloka, and that Anant Kumar ji used to repeat it many a time. He used to say there is one shloka in Sanskrit, madam. This is interesting, madam. वो क्या संस्कृत में एक श्लोका है, अश्वम नैव गजम नैव व्याघ्रम नैव च नैव च अजय पुत्रम बलिम दद्या देवो दुर्बल घातका. इसका अर्थ है अश्व को आप बलि नहीं दे सकते, आप गज को नहीं सकते, व्याघ्रम तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, आप बकरी का बलि देते हैं, देव भी वही, उसको भी दुर्बल ही प्रिय है. इसको कांग्रेस में थोड़ा एक किया तो टाटा नहीं हुआ, अंबानी नहीं हुआ, अदानी बिरला नहीं वचा नहीं वचा, दलित पुत्रम बलिम दद्या कांग्रेस हो दुर्बल घातका. दिस इज देयर स्लोगन, मैडम. दैट्स व्हाई, मैडम, ये क्या बोलते थे, पेटीएम बोले तो इनका दर्द क्यों हो रहा है, मैडम? ये पेटीएम बोलते थे ना, क्या, why they should, okay, madam, some people have suffered, we have never said no. People have suffered during the demonetization, but they have accepted it. Wholeheartedly they have accepted it. That will prove, why you are disturbing me? No, that is my opinion. Why are you bothered? And because of that, madam, that after demonetization, madam.
Statement will go.
After demonetization, madam, last I am concluding, madam. After demonetization, madam, Prime Minister said digitalization में ये क्या बोलते हैं? अभी सिंधिया जी बोला और कोई प्रवक्ता ने भी बोला, खरगे साहब ने बोला, इतना लोग गरीब है, इतना लोग अनपढ़ है, ये किसका हिसाब? नहीं, मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, ये किसका हिसाब दे रहे हैं आप? 60 years होके, if more than 50% of the people are under poverty line, if more than 50% people are illiterate, is it not your responsibility? How you have ruled this country? दिल्ली से गली तक आप ही थे, ना अभी आप बात कर रहे हैं. इसीलिए क्या हो रहा है, डिजिटलाइजेशन, वो सब कल है ना. देखो प्रेमचंद्रन जी, मैं कल रहा हूं, वेणुगोपाल जी, कल अगर मुझे पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर पर में अगर अवकाश दिया तो ये क्या क्या है डिमोनेटाइजेशन का सब बताता हूं. अभी पूरा टाइम नहीं है, आप सुन लीजिए. अभी ये क्या है, आफ्टर डिमोनेटाइजेशन डिजिटलाइजेशन वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपील टू द पीपल, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इन. संस्कृत में एक श्लोक है, मैडम, संस्कृत का श्लोक है, गुणाः पूजास्थानम, गुणाः पूजास्थानम गुणीषु न च लिंगम न च वयः. मीन्स गुण को पूजा स्थान है. वो स्त्री कहते हैं, पुरुष कहते हैं, या अल्प आयु कहते हैं, या बालक कहते हैं, ये फर्क नहीं है, गुण का पूजा स्थान रहा है. डिजिटल थिंग इज ए गुण है, इट इज ए गुड थिंग, दे शुड हैव सपोर्टेड इट. बाय दैट आप एक इमेजिन कर दीजिए, लेट देम ऑल्सो इमेजिन. आफ्टर 10 years समझो, आफ्टर 20 years समझो, if it is completely digitalized, when you want to go to give bribe, if person says I have no money, then there will be definitely, it is a technology technology should be used to curb the corruption. That's what his Prime Minister is telling. These people, should they not support it at least? Even that they are opposing. And इनके जो ये है ना नहीं उनका उपाध्यक्ष क्या कहा? पेटीएम युवराज पेटीएम बोले तो हाँ पेटीएम I don't want to say it in this house. I cannot go to that his level. पेटीएम के लिए मोदी को एक दिया. इनका प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया मैडम? पेटीएम बोले तो इनका प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया था? पेटीएम बोले तो इनका कालखंड में होना था ना. ये पेटीएम वो पेटू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऐसे कुछ कहा ना, पेटू मैडम था वो चेंज हो गया ना. पेटू मैडम fix the PM. It was their slogan, madam, during ours. That's why pay to madam, fix the PM. That was their policy, madam. Lastly, madam, having supported all these things, having said that, madam, having said that, madam, I have got one small demand. Honorable 2, 3, 4 ministers are sitting here, including Rudy ji here. I have a request. That request is in Karnataka. Kharge ji.
Yes,
Kharge. नहीं उनका डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? गुलबर्गा में, बीदर, यादगिरी, ये सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट में तूर दाल बहुत ग्रो होता है. They farmers are going in a huge number तूर दाल. वो तूर दाल के लिए MSP के लिए फार्मर्स आए हुए येडियुरप्पा जी के नेतृत्व में. हम कल मंत्री को भी मिल रहे हैं, अनंत कुमार जी और येडियुरप्पा जी के नेतृत्व में. I appeal to the honorable all ministers who are sitting here, use your good offices and provide MSP for ज्यादा से ज्यादा गुलबर्गा में वो ग्रो होता है. इसीलिए तूर दाल के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं. तूर दाल के लिए MSP देने के लिए हम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से डिमांड करेंगे. With these words, madam, I strongly support, under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi, this country is going forward. देश विदेश में भारत का प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ रहा है. सारे विदेश में भारत का मान सम्मान बढ़ रहा है. सारे और जो कुछ भी हम उत्तर देने का था वो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में हो, जो डिप्लोमेसी से थ्रू हो, हमने वो दिया है. देश में एक बदलाव आ रहा है. वो बदलाव अगर ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू हुआ तो वो अभी 44 है ना, वो सिर्फ 4 हो जाता है. इसीलिए उनका दर्द है. आप ऐसे करने से होता नहीं खड़गे साहब. आपको उपाध्यक्ष है ना, उसको थोड़ा तमीज से बात करने के लिए बोलिए, वही आपको ठीक करेगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैडम.